Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be creating a Christmas character, and I'm going to be based on these two images from here. They are Christmas candies, the candy cane and also the paper mine nougats. I think the colors are nice and I think the package is amazing, and I can use this kind of texture to add it to the dress or the clothes. So the thing is that I don't know if I want to make it like a full body or make it like a portrait. This is going to be, or draw this in your style for this Christmas. First, I'm going to start making like some thumbnails, very small, just to see about the pose. I really want to work on it. Today, I didn't have any kind of references for the pose, but let's start and make it as, you know, very simple. I want it to give movement, so, and also I want to put like a super big candy cane in some very exaggerated candy cane. So probably I want to use this type of pose, you know. Imagine this is the head, the alien head. I have to think about where the candy cane is going to be. Maybe a pose like that, you know. I'm going to make the shape smaller. Let's think about that 1 second, because probably if we have this feet here, that it's the one that carries all the weight of the pose, probably the candy cane should come here. Makes more sense. Or maybe we can make it more separate. Let's see. Yeah, I think this can work better, you know. You know, guys, the magic of digital drawing is that you can rearrange things super fast. This is one of the poses I want to cover. Maybe we can make an elf, you know, like a Christmas elf that it's going to help Santa over this Christmas. Probably we have to make the ears. Let's think about the like the portrait thing. Let's do it different, because I always draw like the 3/4 faces like the same, you know, with the candy cane. Having the candy cane on hands. I want to put more movement here, so let's move the face a little bit. Probably this candy cane is going to be smaller, but even that it's going to be bigger than a real candy cane. I want to keep the elfy thing. I have to check sometimes, guys, how the hands work. So we have the candy cane grabbed this way with one hand, and the other one, where should it be? Probably over here, right? Why so serious? I need to put more emphasis here to make it happy. Probably the hands coming over this way. So I think I like this kind of shape, you know. I'm going to make it with some bangs because I really like it, how it looks. Need to add some festive things. I want to put something round. Probably we can make like some kind of hat related to these paper mine nougats. I think this one is super cute. I don't know, what do you think? And just add something like that in the background. I'm going to save it because I'm going to start working with this one first, that I really like and I really enjoy, and I think it's super cute. I don't know, guys, what do you think? So I have a sketch. Now that I have this, it's time to add some detail to this sketch, because I don't know, right now it's not looking that fine. I really like the shape of the eyes that I have here, but it's looking like very, very evil. Well, I think it looks happier. It's not looking like I'm going to kill you and I'm going to eat all your body. Blush, 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 blush. I want to check how the face is working. Well, it's not looking that bad. I will need to do some rearranges later. Okay, let's change the point of view again. Well, I think now it's looking a little bit better. Let's see, let's make it smaller. Bangs, and over here it's going to fall in the air. I'm going to erase this because we don't want to see a lot of lines. I really love that shape I had here, so I want to keep it. I don't know if this hand is working good this way. Maybe it's too big. I think the candy cane should come over here and just hide part of the arm. I really hate doing hands. You can look at these hands. This is super big. This one is not that big. Let's think about the arms. I mean, I'm quite happy with this one, but this one clearly maybe need to make more bigger. They have to be very similar because the shoulders are more or less in the same size. Oh, what the hell is this? I changed a little bit the shape of this to play a little bit with the foreshortening thing of the hand. So the hand will be coming over here and it's like grabbing the candy cane like in the other side so we don't see it. I'm going to create like this fluffiness thing, you know, and probably here she's wearing like a jacket. What if I do something like some buttons here and we can place like this type of, you know, drawing over the buttons. How many they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's exaggerate a little bit the shapes, you know, make it more funny. Copy and paste. I'm going to merge the buttons to the character. I don't know, guys. This one was super easy to do, but then we have this one here that is the most complicated thing on the earth. Here, I'm going to add like more stripes to mark like this is like a boss or something like that, you know, making some specials. Okay, we have to paint that. The lines of this. Okay, so, well, it's not looking that bad. I think we added very good the candy cane and also these Christmas nuggets. Let's do the clean sketch. I'm going to be inspired with this, but not going to use this one necessarily. Crimson red, right on the paint. So red, let's go for a green, one of these. For the white, I'm not going to use like a pure white. You know, guys, I really hate to use pure white, so I'm going to use this one. For the skin, probably we can use this color or more soft, more pinky. I think the more pinky one works better. For the color of the hair, I'm thinking on probably a reddish brown, something like that. Today, I decided that I wanted to paint everything like on hand. You know, instead of fulfilling things, which works most of the time. I think when you paint this way is when you, it's more similar or is more similar to the traditional painting. And I'm going to grab the green color. Hello. We are going to twist the colors a little bit. If when I have everything paint, I see that it's not looking that fine. Erase, erase. Okay, now here. Here. This is the best part, guys. I went over the line over here again. Now I have the greens. Okay, let's go for the whites. It's going to be the next step. And I'm going to paint over because this way I am like fulfilling the shape and I'm going to use a clipping mask to add the reds. So I don't need to care more about going out of the lines. Here the same. I don't know, guys, how do you call this? For me, it's a fluffy thing. How difficult is this? To add all this detail over here. The bangs. Cover this amazing forehead that I draw to here. Super big forehead. Let's continue with this part here. Sometimes when you have a lot of parts to paint, it's a little bit boring. I don't care if I have some white things. I want it to have a little bit of texture. I had the feeling that she has like a lot of space here. Probably I can add something like this. Magic creatures and this stuff, so probably they can have this kind of faces. Let's paint like the buttons. I need to grab the white. What if we use some golden thing for the buttons? You know, for this area here. I don't want to paint it white. Yeah, I think I'm going to use golden color, probably this one here. Also, is super Christmassy. I'm going to paint this here. Oh, I need to do it carefully. I'm going to paint the teeth and the eyes. Let's paint the shape of this. I think these eyes should be more edgy shapes, like this one here. These amazing teeth I just draw here. I have to remember to leave the space. Normally, I draw people with like super perfect teeth, but I don't know why today I decided that it's not going to be the day for that. More things to do. the reds. Let's go for the reds. I have to admit, guys, that it's going to look very Christmassy with all that colors. I'm going to paint here red. It's time to paint the candy cane. This is having some more shape, guys. I'm super happy. Super happy of how it's looking. Still a lot of work to do. Okay, and now this one here, like the smallest one. Tiny thing, tiny bush. I'm changing a little bit the shapes because why not? I mean, this is so tiny that people is not going to realize the shape it is originally. So at least I hope they recognize the candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one 5, and then I have to do it 3 more times. Let's paint that over here. I think that for the eyes I'm going to work with, well, let's see, let's use a green. I really want to put her eyes green. Okay, maybe less saturated. I don't know why I'm trying to make this little elf so creepy. I think the green looks better, but not that green. Just need to put more emphasis here. And she's going to have a very, very pointy eyelashes. Next step is the mouth. We should go for bright pinky. Let's see if it works. It's not looking bad. Let's paint the inside of the mouth. These teeth, I don't know. Well, I like it, but they were looking a little bit strange. But I like it, so yeah, I don't know. I'm just giving a little bit of shape to the lips. Okay, time to put some blush. And I'm going to use also a pink color because why not? Right now it didn't seem like too much, but I'm going to use the multiply. So I'm going to add on this and on the hands. Now I think, guys, we have to start adding some lines. It's time to come back to the nose. It lacks of volume. What I'm going to do is going to change the color of the line art to make it more suitable to the skin. I just forgot to paint the line of this. Maybe it's too much. It's too much bigger. Now I'm going to use this to paint here the line. She's on top, yeah. This finger is super cute. I think it's my favorite finger from what I did. It's time to change a little bit the color of the hair because I think it's getting lost. So I think I have to put more contrast and some of them coming over here. Okay, let's see. No, I think this one is going to work better. I really have an issue here. I don't know how to put the hair to make it people understand. I mean, I'm going to add some shadows with textures here and over here. No, and over here. I really want to have one part of the hair like in shadow, like the inner part of it. Okay, basically I have to add shadow like here and over here for sure because we have this super chunky candy cane over here. And the ears for sure, the inner part of the ears. I'm going to choose this muted purple to do that. No, I want to add like white highlights on top of it here. The thing is, I want it more pink, more yellow, more saturation. Yeah, I think with more saturation works fine also. So I want to add some more, a little bit of change of colors. Like it just, like it was some shadow. So this one here. I'm using a very soft color for that, but I'm going to use the blending modes to make it darken under the buttons. It has to be some shadows. Let's add some different ingredient. Okay, I think I like it. This one, like a more green color. And okay, guys, last thing I'm going to do is add some shadows on the candy cane and the hat. I'm going to use, I don't know. Yeah, I think this color can work fine. Same here. I know this is another. Also over here and over the fingers here. Like, this is contact shadow, so it really have to appear and over here. Okay, I think it's looking amazing, guys. Well, I want to try one first and see what happens. Yeah, I think it could work. I'm going to do something first, like duplicate this layer, just in case I need it later. I mean, I always like to have like a backup if I have to erase things. So, oh, fluffy, 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 and erase. So the last thing I want to do is add some reflections, because I think they're going to look so nice, you know, on the whites. I need to change the brush over here and here and here. I don't know if it might be confusing, you know, guys, too much stripes over here and there. Maybe we can make it different, you know, like something like that. So I'm going to make the same. Why it's not painting? Ah, because I am erasing. And let's see how it looks. We have to work better the reflections. And also these buttons here probably will have some of the reflections. Where are they? Here. I need to draw the tree because I completely forgot to draw the tree. The tiny tree there, it's coming inside. They aren't the best trees in the world, but we can figure it out as a tree. I want to add some shadows here. So that's all, guys. This is everything for today. Hope you enjoyed this character that we made together just based on these couple of things. And I'm very happy with the result, I have to say it. I'm very happy of the colors. Probably we could do more things, but I'm going to leave it here. I think now it's looking fine. And yeah, hope you like it and hope you join the Draw This in Your Style when I launch it, that it's going to be very soon. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you like this content, please like this video and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching my videos. So see you again on the next video. Bye bye.